Now you can see here we've ended up with those lines as in sheet 4. On this one here on the end, diagonal top left to the center tesserae, you've got a full one, and then just that triangle to go and create this horizontal line across the top there. Now going on to number 5 on your instructions here, and see we're going to start putting in the other lines, the opposite side to these strands. Notice how all these are one side of the center tesserae. None of these black lines are going into it, they're all to the side of it. So now to start, what we're going to do is come up to the top left, 2 tesserae away from this black line. I want you to do a line coming down to there. Now you start off at the top, just put in that one there, put in that one there. You know where you start and your finishes. This is where it has to finish, right next to this center tesserae. So we put a line up there, going up, don't try to be too neat with these lines, as long as they are, trim that roughly straight, and you see 2, 2, 2 all the way here. Up at the top here I'm going to do a keystone cut. Now the keystone cut is this, where you have a square tesserae, trim off 2 edges, leave a part at the bottom. You're not making a triangle, so you end up with this shape. It's on the curved lines. What you want is this. The keystone allows the line, a curved line, to flow. If you used a triangle in that space, it would actually break the line there. It's a lot easier with the hand cut material because you'll have some natural shapes like that, but for this we actually need to cut them. So up here on the top right, I've just got that one in place there. Now you can see here 2, but you see the line's not exactly 2 tesserae, but don't worry about that, we can compensate when we start filling in. So now you've got that line, I want you to continue up here. So you'll start 2 tesserae away from here. If we look at our staff, there you can see black, colour, black. So it's obviously easy with the machine cut stuff. Now if we go in a curve, we keep 2 tesserae away from this line, it's going to hit vertical to here. Then it's going to come down to here. So we take that line there, starting off there. If it helps, just put one here. Okay, put one there. You got your start, your middle, your finish points, and then set the tesserae going all the way up there. Then do your next one, again, same as this. It'll be starting 2 tesserae away. So 1, 1, 2, and then your other black will be starting there. It'll go up, hit, and then it'll go down there, and then you've got that small piece again to start, and it'll just be going up to there. So finish these top lines. Now you can see here this gap is quite tight for 2 tesserae. That doesn't matter, again we will compensate for that when we do the filling in.